After many trash can deliveries, we finally wore out the brakes. All right, let's get busy. Slightly loosen the brake line. Now pry the brake cylinder open. Put the bolts back in. Alright, now we got to bleed the brakes. But ain't nobody around right now to help me, so I'm going to show you a little trick. You want to take your cap off. Make sure there's brake fluid in it. Now it's going to run out, so you got to keep topping it off. Alright, you want to get you some 3/8 hose. And you want to slide it over the tip of that. Don't loosen it too much. And you're going to fill your water bottle with brake fluid. Set your water bottle right there. You want to take your hose, you want to run it over in the brake fluid. Now just pump your brakes until all the air gets out. Now all you got to do is tighten the brake line and put your tire back on. So that's how easy it is to change your brake pads.